This project is built with Breeza freestanding wall units. Dig the trench and install the base course. Sweep the base units. Apply a 1/2 inch dot of concrete adhesive every 3 to 6 inches. Place the first course of wall units. For the second course, when using a single height product, cut a large unit using a circular saw with masonry blade. Place the cut unit to establish running bond. Glue each unit. Continue building the wall in this fashion until you've reached a desired height. Cap the wall and finish the project with grading.